Get ready with me to our regency era event. Firstly, packing. So I packed regency era stays, then shirt, and now I was ironing the red cape, and now it's the official. Now petticoats, I took 2, and now I packed everything to the back, and curls for my hair, and now other things for my hair. I'm looking for them. And these are hairpins, and now shoes. And I made some last moment amendments to my dresses. I added this white decoration. This is my first dress and this is my second dress. I ironed it. I added fan, of course, very important. I added fabric to these buttons because they were without any fabric. And now I put all this clothing to the back, and I went to the bus stop. It's all within the same day, by the way. I was in the bus, then I went to a train, and I was in a train about an hour, I think. Then I went to a shopping mall for a moment, and then I was waiting for someone to drive me to a hotel. And now it is a hotel. This is the room when I was sleeping, and here another room of this hotel. This is how the building looks from the outside. These were 2 buildings. In one we had a bar, in one we were sleeping. And this is the area of this place. Now a transition. And this is my white regency dress. And this is the second dress. So